This is what they look like underneath. Xbox 360 Slims. My video was stopped there for a minute. Closed out. So there you go. Tried to unplug it and I couldn't, so there you go. So I'm just gonna clean it. Put as much as you want to put on them. So I'm going to swipe it down with a tissue, nothing fancy. You're going to do this. Just going over the board gently with the tissue so I don't damage any of the soldering ends or anything that come loose. Okay. I'm just going to clean the innards. Okay. That's it. So I will show you more when I start getting things back together on this. But I must do a few more pieces that need to be individually cleaned. Pretty much got the idea now. Ooh. Fine tune the fan, getting it nice and clean, so it looks a lot better, and it'll work a lot better. There's only one other person I'd recommend. It's on the internet that does it right. He's a guy, has glasses on, and then if you want to do your Xbox Live, there's a guy and he has a barbecue shirt on, and basically he's got a mustache. There are guys clean shaven, and they're the only two people you want to listen to. Don't take any advice from anyone else, because other than us three, because basically we know what we're doing, and some of these are just don't. These systems are very tricky. Maybe destroy them. It's by Xbox 360. Well, they may be getting out of date, but here's the thing. Once they're destroyed, you know. And if I could remove that fan, I could clean it underneath. So just make sure you go to the right ones. It takes a while to dig deep, find the right guy that's cleaning it. Because if you don't do it the right way, it'll come back to haunt you. Anyways, I guess I could show you how to clean this. It's pretty basic. I think I might just leave that on. Oh, there we go. clean. I'm just going to peel this off for a bit. This is going to take 2 hands. I wish I had a GoPro. Oh jeez, cut my finger. I thought I did. Doesn't hurt. There we go. Perfect. So I'm making sure here. Okay. Just better show you this. Okay, it's pretty clean. Microsoft this needs cleaning. We got dust. It doesn't look like it came off the production line back in 2011, February.